Hello, thank you so much for stopping by. How are you? I love my cup, the message. Live the life you've imagined. Wouldn't that be great each day if we just wake up and live the life we imagine, the life we truly want? Maybe today's the beginning of that. Maybe we write down what it is we truly want our life to look like and start incorporating little changes that become big changes. I hope for each of you who are listening to this that you have the blessing of living the life you've imagined. May the blessing of peace, love, joy, contentment be yours today. I love you.